Yeah, found this bloody thing. Found it on the side of the... Ah! Hey, you little... Sorry, excuse the language. Yeah, no. Broken wing, man. Bloody in that lagoon over there. Oh, not there, but it was on the trek. Yeah. Ah! Ooh, you little... It's a vicious thing, bro. Yeah, this is it. She's a pretty big money. Yeah. She's a pretty big money and a vicious one too. Say hello everybody, so I'll give it to the SPCA. I won't play. Oh, you little... You off. Stop it. Stop it, you little vicious. It's a vicious bloody thing. So yeah, it's got a broken wing, guys, so I'm gonna release it. Release the bloody thing. Oh no, sorry, ring the SPCA. So we'll call him Ryko number 2. Nera Ryko. Nera Ryko. We'll save your wares. We'll save your wares. Ne? We'll save your wares. So you can be free. So that's all I got to say. Archie. Archie. You.